Hi, Sonia here with Just Botanicals, and I'm super excited. I'm actually about to go in and get my hair done, but I have been thinking a lot this morning and last night about some of my personalized skincare experiences. So, and my overall mission and kind of where I'm kind of coming from. So my mission has of course evolved, right? As I've jumped into following my heart and as I'm just kind of going with the flow and learning things, and I'm just doing what I got to do to follow my dreams, right? And to make things happen. And so as I move forward making skincare, learning how to market skincare, trying to grow myself in health and fitness and become transformed from the inside out, my mission has now become transform your life, right? So that's my goal, is to help people transform their life. And now that can be done in so many different ways. But over the last year, I've really learned the value of plants and botanicals from all angles, right? So eating superfoods, eating quality nutritious foods, exercising, detoxification, and using awesome ingredients and botanicals in my skincare, right? So my skincare business, Just Botanicals, really started from, I took a course and I made my first skincare range, very simple cleanser, toner, day lotion, and I made a serum. And I started using these things every day. Now, the ingredients that are in my main anti-aging line happen to also be ingredients that have been transformative emotionally, spiritually for me, right? So they help me kind of ground into, like, connect my spirit with my physical, with my mental. They really brought it all together for me. And so I was able to become more confident, to become increase my self-worth, to become the person, start to become the woman that I was always meant to be, and start to change my perception on myself and those around me, and understand the empowerment that comes from me being able to change who I am as a person. And for me, it started with the skincare, really at a deep transformative level. And here recently, I've made a couple of personalized batches of skincare for a few people over the last couple of years, right? And here recently, I had my cousin actually came to me, and she was talking about a particular condition that she was walking through. Hi, Joe. Hi, baby. Thanks for joining. I love you. And so I made her a range, cleanser, toner, and day lotion, specific to her needs, right? So I used the essential oils catered to her specific condition. And here is what's beautiful about that. Healthy skin, and this is what's in line with my mission and everything I've been talking about with health, fitness, nutrition, not just quality skincare and good ingredients, right? But also the stuff I put in my body. And what do I need to be my healthiest? My skin is a reflection of how I'm doing internally. How my overall health is going to come out through my skin. So my skin so when you look around and when I'm looking at the quality of my skin, it is directly related to how well I'm taking care of myself, the good foods I'm putting in my body, the good, holistically healthy lifestyle that I'm living. That's what's coming out of my skin. So when we have a deficiency somewhere, or something that we're walking through, or perhaps a different sort of environmental exposure than we're used to, our skin's gonna react, right? Like our body is continuously trying to, and through our skin, monitor that balance between the external and the internal. And so when I'm able to personalize products by adding essential oils or aromaceuticals, plant medicine, if you will, for somebody's specific needs, then of course they're going to have a benefit, right? So whatever is in that product is actually treating their internal condition, creating more of a balance, and they're radiating through their skin. And so my cousin just posted on this page the other day about her experience with that. And I'm like, dang. You know what I mean? That's where, because it is about the internal condition. And the cool thing about using aromaceuticals in your skincare is you can actually get this plant medicine into your bloodstream, into your body, to your organs, to help nourish and treat those conditions, thereby improving your complexion. So organic skincare, the natural skincare, green indie skincare movement is so powerful because of that. Because it's not just balancing and cleansing the outside of my skin. It's actually has the potential to treat the internal condition as well. And that is super huge. So that is my ding, ding, ding for today. Thank you for joining. Thank you for watching. Comment below with any thoughts, ideas, or suggestions. I would love to hear it. And you can call me beautiful too. That's always going to work for me. Thanks, babe. Thanks for watching. Everyone have a great day. Bye.